In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your Lorex NVR or DVR beeping and stop the alarm. So first is we need to identify the cause. Access the system main menu and navigate to the operation or event log and check for error messages and common errors. This includes like HDD error, no this or this full. This indicates that a hard drive is failing, disconnected, or it is full. And also you can check if there is a error like video loss or IBC offline, net disconnect, and motion detection or AI event. So an enabled alarm triggered by an event is a motion detection event. Next is troubleshoot and fix the issue. So to check the physical connections, ensure that the hard drive's power and data cables are securely connected inside the unit. And if the status is unformatted, you may need to format the drive within the NBR or NBR menu. And if the drive is failing, you might need a new surveillance grade hard drive to use. And that's how you can fix your Lorex DVR or NVR beeping and stop the alarm. And thank you for listening.